Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to know about basics and fundamentals and characterization of lights. And before that, what is light? Sir, we know very well from 8th standard onwards, we are studying about light. Light is a form of energy. What is energy? What types of energies spread out in our nature? There are plenty types of energies available in our nature. Heat energy, sound energy, obviously light energy, number of energies. But here we should know the value of light. It's a form of energy, obviously. The energies we are getting from the sun. Can you able to see or can you able to survive without the help of light? Sorry, it is impossible. Without the light source, we are nothing. We can't be able to eat. Sir, if you want to survival, you need plenty number of foods and water. Without the light energy, the foods cannot provide by the plants because the photosynthesis is the main factor to provide the food and water and some water. So we should know the interesting factors, how the light behaves. By the aspects of physics, how the light behaves. So, we should know the characteristics. Light is the mystical property. Mystical means just like a ritual, it's an imaginary one. We can recognize it, but we can't able to realize it. So, light is the form of energy. So, it consists only the energy alone. It consists the energy alone. It doesn't have any tiny amount of mass. That's why it travels in the speed of 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per second. So, these are all the information we know very well from the basics, from the lower standard. In this session, light is a mystic one, that is a ritual, yet its behavior is so fascinating, so fabulous, but it is difficult to comprehend the light as a single entity. In this session, in this video, we are going to see about the two different physical aspects of light. One is ray optics. One is ray optics. Optics means it's nothing but light. Another one is wave optics. Wave optics. In this session, we are going to discuss about ray optics. And before that, what is wave optics? Can you able to say what is the source of energy? What is the source of light? How the light is producing? Sir, the light is producing by the vibrations of atoms, like in the simple harmonic motion. The atoms are vibrating from ground state to higher state, that is excited state, and come back to the ground state. So it is a repeatedly manner going. So the wave optics, it deals about the propagation of waves, like in the form of wave like this. It's a sinusoidal one. Am I right? Sir, in a ray optics, the light rays are traveling in a straight line. See here, in a wave optics, lights are traveling in a wave motion. But in a ray optics, lights are traveling in a straight line alone. Straight line alone. By this geometrical condition, we are going to classify the characteristics. So, in this session, we are going to know about the light and then basic information and then characteristics of light. Okay, next. In this session, we are going to focus only about the ray optics. What is ray optics? What is ray optics? How the light rays are traveling? Sir, the light rays are traveling in the form of straight line. So it is indicated by the arrows. This is arrow. That's why this is a ray. So the optics are traveling in a straight line. That should be called as ray optics. In a ray optics, the light rays are traveling in a straight line alone. Sir, when the lights may deviate, only when the obstacle are somewhat medium, only interfere. Then only the lights will be deviated, like in the form of this direction. So, the ray optics, the light rays are traveling in a straight line. It gives the information only the direction of the light rays. Am I right? So, this indicates only the direction of light. So, it does not provide any information regarding the color of the light or intensity of the light. So, it does not provide, the ray optics does not provide any information regarding intensity and then color. So we don't know about what is the color or what is the intensity of light through the ray optics. So in this session we are going to know about the characteristic phenomenon of reflection and refraction and dispersion and scattering of light. So the basic information, it provides a lot of phenomena of light.